Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. It literally feels like forever since I've sat down to actually talk to you guys and film a video. I am back with a really exciting unboxing. My Weverse package just came in the mail. It is my Butter album set. Also, sorry if you can hear the air conditioning in the background. It's literally so hot in my room, so I have to have it running. Like, I literally can't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I'm so excited to open this. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. You got the pre-order benefits, the 2 different versions of the CD, and then the posters as well. First, I'm going to open up the little tins. Okay, so this is the pre-order benefit that comes with the Peaches version. I love these tins. They're super cute. So they just say butter on them. And I got Yoongi. Freaking adorable. Yay! I've been getting so lucky lately pulling Yoongi. And then the back says butter. Stinking cute. So now for the, did I say that one was Peaches? So this is the cream version. Beautiful. They look the same on the back. Yay! And then for the albums, you got the cream version and the Peaches version. I saw on, was it TikTok or Twitter, compared to their hand size, they're a lot smaller than you would expect, but they're still super cute. And oh my god, he's so cute. I got Hobie for the Polaroid, or not Polaroid. I keep calling these Polaroids. He looks so good. I'm obsessed with this picture. Okay, wait, let me take it out of the plastic. What? I'm so happy right now. So I'm gonna start with the Peaches version. This is what it looks like. And then on the side, it says Peaches. It opens up just like this. And then you have the book right away. This is just what the book looks like. And you have all of the pictures and stuff here. So pretty. So it comes with this standy thingy. So you can have it like propped up like this. I got June. Wow, he looks good. I love this hair color on him. And then, ooh, I got the message from J-Hope. So these are so cute. Wow. This is so exciting. And then you get the group photo, which these are literally Polaroids. These are stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Lyric cards, and you also get the stickers that they use to decorate the albums with. And then the CD is at the bottom here. Those are my pulls for Peaches. So now for the cream version. So again, opens up just like this. You have the photo book. I will flip through this. This is my favorite concept, I think, like my favorite version. So if I was to buy only one version, I would definitely just buy the cream version. So like the yellow one. I just have a whole thing for this like bad boy vibe. That's exactly my vibe. Okay, and then you also get the standee. And then I'm like scared to look right now. Ooh, I got a Jungkook message. So here's what the inside looks like. And then and then I got, I got Jin. Oh my god, so cute. I think, was it TikTok or, I think it was a TikTok I saw, and it was like somebody unboxed a bunch of this version of the album, and they had Adele like, never mind, I'll find someone like you, and it was like all Jin. Like this person just pulled all Jin for like 9 of the same album. How freaking funny is that? But also this is adorable. Look at him. Amazing. Amazing. Very happy with all of my pulls. Very, very pleased. And then you get the same Polaroid, which is stinking adorable. And then you also get the same inclusions. You have the lyric cards. Then you have the stickers. I think the stickers are different. And then you have the CD. Those were the albums, and then now the posters come in a tube. You basically get the poster where they're on the beach. I'm gonna move back so you can see the full effect of this one. And then you also get the bad boy criminal poster. I'm trying to think if they're the same material as the Map of the Soul concept book posters. Okay, I think you can get the full effect here. But I definitely want to put this one up. I'm not sure where just yet. That is all of the inclusions. So I'm going to insert a clip of me flipping through the photo books. So we're going to start with the Peaches version of the photo book. Ooh, Kobe has blonde hair and pink tips. Cute. I genuinely just think he looks good in like any hairstyle, any hair color, even like the most ridiculous ones. Jimin. I actually really like this hair color on him as well. His eyebrows too. He's just gorgeous. Beautiful. Jin. His hair looks longer in this. Cute. Jungkook. June. I think this hairstyle really works with him. Even like the hair color is really nice. I think it suits him very nicely. Look at how stinking adorable he is. Oh, he looks so good. Yes. Okay. Wow. Nice little group moment. Okay, so now they're on the beach. Ooh, I really like this outfit. Adorable. Oh, the little overalls. Those are so cute. Wow. I think Tae's superior look is with the headband. I think he looks so good with the headband, like with his hair pushed back, or when he has like an undercut. Oh, so good. Ooh, I really like Jungkook with like the wet hair type vibe. I think it's really cool. I think it looks really good too. So stinking cute. Literal baby. Obsessed. Wow. This is so cute. Ooh, and then there's like their messages. And then the credits. Nice. So that was Peaches. Now for Cream. This is my favorite concept for between the two. I think these outfits and the hairstyles are just superior. It's like my favorite type of style, to be honest. Taggy. Oof. It looks so good. Jiku. Adorable. Oh, I just noticed Hobie's hair has different colored tips here. It's like purple, or is it kind of similar to the color that June has? Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. I saw that on Twitter. Funny. Wow. He's so handsome. For real. Literal perfection. Okay, Yoongi's mullet. Like, are you rude? So good with the pink. Jungkook always looks good. Cutie. Jimmy got those boots with the fur too. I can't get over how pretty he is. Like, it's not fair. Oh, so beautiful. Tay, he looks like a greaser. That's such a vibe. He is beautiful. Ooh, June. He knows his angles. He freaking knows. Wow, that's so cute. Ooh. Yes. The little mug shots. Love. I love this concept so much. Wow. The heart-shaped handcuffs. Why do I want a pair? They're so cute. That's disrespectful. Wow. Okay, I really want these because they're pink. I'm obsessed. Also, that sleeve making an appearance. I really want a half sleeve, to be honest. I've been wanting one for a really long time. The hair, it looks so good. Yuki. Oh my. Wow. This is my fave. Oh my gosh. His hair is long in the back. He looks so good. And you get like the end notes again. And done. So those are the 2 photo books. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below who you guys pulled, if you guys ordered the set, or if you only ordered one, which one did you buy, who did you pull? And I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye.